Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's been
a long day.
as a programmer, all of you might know about code editors, different code editors like Sublime Text or Atom. And nowadays everyone is shifting to Microsoft Visual Studio Code. So today we are going to see how to run and compile C or C++ code in Visual Studio Code. So to get started, first we have to download and install a compiler, C compiler. A compiler is a program that translates a programming language into machine code, which is not generally human readable, but the machine understands that code only. So we are heading to the computer, and so to start we first need to download a compiler, and that is MSYS2. I will give the link below in the description, and just click here and it will start downloading. Save it. It is done. Let's open it. Click on next. Again, I am keeping all this to default. Here you can see the process. So as you can see, the installing is done. Click on next and run. Yes, it is actually a Arch Linux terminal. So let's close it. We don't need this in this time. And open MSYS, this app. So here let's update all the existing packages of Arch. The command is pacman -sys, and you have to write the exact syntax, otherwise it won't work. Press enter. So after that, let's update all the rest packages. I will open the same. And the command will be pacman -su. It's asking for permission. Click on just press Y and click on enter. So after completion of the update, let's move on. You have to find this folder named MSYS2 and open this MINGW64. If your machine is 64-bit, then you have to click on this. Otherwise, you will have to use the 32 one. I am using a 64-bit machine, so I am clicking on this and paste this command here. I will give this syntax in my description. You can copy from there. Click on enter. Hit Y and enter. And the installation of GCC is over. And the next step will be adding the directory into the environment variables. For that, you have to head on to the file explorer, then C drive, and here MSYS64. Here you have to look out. If you have 64-bit machine, click on this folder. Otherwise, the 32-bit ones. Okay. Since I have 64, so I am clicking on this. Sorry, actually mouse problem. 64, then the bin. and click on the address bar and copy it. Then search for environment variables in the Windows and click on environment variables option. Then click on temp, then edit. I have already created one. Let me delete this and click. You have to just click on new and paste the address, hit OK, again OK, and again last one OK. So to check whether it is the GCC compiler is installed or not, let's open command prompt. Let's type it here, GCC version, and you can see the GCC is installed successfully. Next we have to install VS Code or Visual Studio Code. Let's search VS Code, and this is the link. We are in Windows, so downloading the Windows. And if you are eager to get new updates, you can download the Insiders one. And it is downloaded. Let's open the setup file, hit I accept the agreement. And by the way, you can read this. I already read, you can read later. Click on next, again next. I am keeping all this default. Let's launch the VS Code. You might be seeing this page, so let's open a file. No, let's open a folder. Creating a folder named C files. Select the folder. Then click on trust the authors, and yes, in this icon you can create new file. Say it is file1.c. okay, and clicking enter. This C file is created now. Let me write something. Yes, it is a simple program which displays hello. You can't actually use it, so you have to install some extensions, which are I have already installed. C++. Just search in here C++. Then click on this. I will just let me uninstall and install it. Click on install. It will be installed. So then search for code runner and install this extension. After installing this extension, you have to head on to the settings and right here code runner and tick on sub checkboxes which are save file before running and in the running terminal. These are really important. And then you can successfully compile this code. See, I am click on run code, and in the terminal it will display hello. So our C file has successfully compiled. Thank you for watching, and please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.